actually trying something new right as we speak, because I'm filming with my 35mm f1.8 and this is a lens from Canon, but it's a prime lens. And normally I film my YouTube videos with a zoom lens, but how are we liking it? I feel like it's really nice with the bokeh, I don't know how you call it, but doesn't matter, you get the point. But that's not what you're here for, because in this video I'm going to share a trick about Lightroom Mobile. I actually found this trick out by accident because I went into Lightroom Mobile and imported a video. But then I saw that I can add my presets onto the video as well, which means that essentially you can put the same grade that you put on a photo also on a video. I personally love to grade my stories. I feel like for the viewer it's such a party to watch your stories because they're so nicely graded. I think I'm just gonna dive straight into it because it's such a simple trick, so this video doesn't even need to be long. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your presets are on your Lightroom mobile app. So the first step you're gonna do is to grab your laptop and to import the presets into Adobe Lightroom on your desktop. And then make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi point, because this is a very important step. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, your laptop is not gonna synchronize with your phone. And then you can sit there for hours and hours waiting for it to synchronize, but that is just not gonna happen. Then grab your phone and then you'll immediately see all your presets are added to your Lightroom library on your phone. Literally simple as that. I want to share something very exciting with you. I've been working on this for the past 2 years, but finally I released them. It's my first ever preset pack and I couldn't be more excited. This is a pack I'm so proud of, I'm so happy with. It really resembles my style and I use all of these presets for every single one of my photo shoots that you can see on my YouTube channel, but also on my Instagram account. They're now ready for you to be used as well, so I linked everything in the description. You can download them there. It's a pack of 25 presets added with 3 bonus presets in there as well. And I've made for every single preset a walkthrough tutorial so you can use the presets to their full potential, and 3 editing tutorials with my 3 top tricks I use. I cannot wait for you to try them out. I'm actually gonna use this preset pack now to show you how to add the presets to the videos on your phone. I'm gonna use this video shot yesterday in Melbourne City with the most beautiful sunset ever. Then I'm going to head into my presets down here. I'm going to use New York Baby, that's number 12 out of my preset pack, and it works beautifully during sunsets. Because you're adding it on an iPhone video, the preset is a little bit more faded and desaturated. So we can fix that by heading into the light tab and then adding a bit of contrast, and then heading into the color tab and adding a bit of vibrance as well. I'm gonna go into my color tab, my color mix tab, and then change the oranges to a little bit more of a darker orange and bring back some saturation in the oranges. Then heading into the temperature tab and just gonna bring down the temperature a little bit to bring back the blue tones a bit more. And this is already it. I'm super happy with how this already turned out. It literally takes you maybe not even a minute. It's so simple. Before and this is the after. Pretty nice, right? And that's literally it. So of course you can also add your own preset pack or whichever presets you like, but I've also made mine available here in the description like I told you, so you can find them there. Did I want to say something else? That's it. I think this is the perfect trick for when you want to stay consistent with your style on Instagram or wherever. Super simple. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I also hope to see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye. Doei! Actually, I wanted to tell you that I'm currently in Australia. I landed here a week ago. I'm now finally fully settled in. I feel good to be here and I cannot wait to create more videos. I have some stuff in the pipeline I'm very excited about. I literally wrote 5 pages full of ideas that I want to create here, so good stuff coming your way.